Yo, we outside. Look at that. Look at her. Yeah. Hey, so today is the release day of the Kobe Wnba Total Orange, whatever you want to call them, but it was one of those sneakers that I had. Orange. It was one of those sneakers that I had to have in my collection, and we're going to pick those things up right now. Now, before we go and get this, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. Let me know if you was able to hit on the sneakers app. I heard it was like 65K on there.
Nope.
I don't know how true that actually was, but I've seen a lot of people say that they didn't get them on there. So I'm thinking it wasn't that many on there. But let me know down in the comment section if this is even sneaker you was interested in, that you go after it. Like I said, shout out to Foot Locker for allowing me to be able to pick up this pair. I greatly appreciate y'all. And yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and pick these things up. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we up in here, Foot Locker. Got my man King Kilo in the building, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we gonna pick up these Kobe's and see what they talking about. A lot of pairs out there allegedly, and y'all didn't like these.
Nope.
Remember, y'all don't like these. So after I show y'all this review, don't be all over these things now. All right, Foot Locker is House of Hoops. The only places really that do these, that get the ones here in the Florida area, is going to be the House of Hoops. So as you guys can see right here, what they got there, y'all got, hey, they got the mid shattered backboards. They got the shattered backboard things all day, every day. All right, so we got a bunch of retro, you feel what I'm saying? Bam, bam, bam. I ain't never seen these before. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't even know what them is. Charles Barkley's, 34s, Love Letters, Dion's right here. Crazy Ja Morant's and everything right here. Phone posits and all that stuff over here. Those Kobe's are still sitting here. You know what I'm saying? Super tough, bro. A lot of stuff going on in this store. They got a lot of crap in this House of Hoops, bro. As you guys can see, still got a lot of these Jordans. Got the Great 5 sitting right here. Pre-Money 3 still sitting here. I'm pretty sure they ain't got many sizes of these left because these were clearanced a lot. Same thing with these, but still some solid shoes has been sitting this year. Mellow 12s, Reimagine ones, both of those ones. Of course, we got these joints right here. You know, so go out into your stores. All right, man. Hey, what you think about them now, bro?
They're still
What
trash.
you think about? You think they trash?
Trash still.
What you mean?
They're trash.
Stop the cap.
Man, hey, my dog said they trash, bro. These things are fire, bro. All right, so y'all see the bag, Foot Locker. We're gonna get out to the whip and then we're gonna unbox these things. All right, y'all, so we in the whip, as you guys can see, back from Foot Locker. We're gonna go ahead and open these things up really quick for y'all. Y'all see the Mamba box, as you guys can see right here. We got the black and gold Mamba box. Size tag is right there for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and open these things up, as you guys can see. It comes with that black Mamba paper. White paper as well. Then we got the Kobe 6 Total Orange Protro, man, Wnba joints. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions are about these things. Let me see if I can get this to focus better. There we go. We got the Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange, man. Y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about these things. As you guys can see, that back end of it real nice. That orange is vibrant. We got the inner side as well. That platinum silver swoosh. Platinum silver Mamba logo on the tongue right there. You got the radiance of the dark orange with the lighter orange right there. Translucent, kind of semi-translucent bottom on there. Carbon fiber shank plank, dark orange Mamba logo back there. Nike Zoom on the back end. Overall, in my opinion, this shoe is absolutely and positively a must cop for me, man. Sock liner, inner orange, everything orange on these things. All orange, everything. But y'all comment down below and let me know if you was able to cop. As I was in the mall, I did see a lot of people with pairs. So I feel like the people that actually want them was able to get them. This back end, I will tell you, this is a little bit more peach than what I thought. So that's kind of like a little weird in my opinion, but hey, it is not a deal breaker nonetheless. But y'all comment down below, let me know your thoughts and opinions. That's all I got for y'all, man. And y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I will be having an in-depth review for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below and let me know if you got these things. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.